defines a very style-sensible man. And with their all-time famous Italian cuts, they're actually bringing forward a very, I think, available kind of, clothing and dressing for every kind of man out there. So I feel what Giovanni is doing is great with formal clothing. You can carry yourself with style. It definitely looks like the man of substance, whoever wears it, I think. And it can be worn to every other occasion. So I'm really happy to be a part of their team and to be representing them. I think it's a great honor. No, actually, my personal style is, I've always felt that the classic man, the hero that has been from the 50s or the 60s, the 70s. That is where the real definition of man came from, which especially on film. Style icons for me have been men like French actors like Alain Delon and Paul Newman and many, many other actors, but from that age in particular. So I feel that classic touch to fashion is something that suits me best. Having said that, I like the fusion of that with what is coming out now, the way it's fusing with contemporary. But if I were to wear anything out on an average day, it would be something from that. Yeah. Well, from the actresses, I think there are many, but obviously I've worked with one very recently, and she is one hell of a fashion icon. Sonam, I think, has an impeccable sense of fashion. I think I've always felt, that she would wear a newspaper, she would make it look fashionable. So her and amongst the guys, again, there are many names. I like the styles of everyone, because they carry it with their own attitude. And I think style and fashion is all about attitude, how you carry it. But I think the way that Imran Khan dresses is very tasteful. As far as the fashion is concerned, I think at one point in time, I wouldn't like to criticize it in any way, because every age is specific. The fashion is specific for them. One thing that I did not like, and probably I don't like till today, is something that when men wear bell bottoms. I think it's just not something for the man. So that is something I did disagree with. But I think the leather jackets, the cuts for jackets and shirts at that time did sort of define that age. And I think it has evolved over time. There's been a clear, there's clear demarcations over the decades. Like in the 70s, there were these big collar shirts, big lapel jackets, and men used to wear the collars outside on top of the jacket. It was a very Italian, New York gangster thing to do. And then it went on to the 80s, where I think anything and everything just worked. Right now, I think is the perfect time where you can choose a fashion that belongs to any age, which suits you best. अभी मैं एक आध दिन के लिए वापस घर गया था, तो मैं HQ को सिर्फ हाथ लगा के आया हूँ. But unfortunately, I'll not be able to spend Eid back at home this time around as well. I'm here in Bombay, just finishing up some work. तो यहीं पे गुजरेगी, जिस तरह पिछली दफा गुजरी थी. And Eid for me is it's an occasion where it's like a meet and greet. I feel it's an occasion that has a lot of traditional importance. But I think what is at the core of it is actually just, I wouldn't say, you resolve differences as well with people during that time. It's an excuse to actually meet people that you've not met for a very long time. So I feel Eid for me is more about meeting people. And number 2 on the list comes food, and number 3 on the list, which is, I think the most important, is sleeping. Jo kar hai, I think Salman Khan ka jo dabang style hai, I think is great. I think Shah Rukh Khan is, he's trademarked the romantic hero and, arms wide open towards the girls. That's his signature. And Amir Khan, I think I'm a very big fan of his work, as, how he changes for every role and what he does to get a role. The stories that I've heard about him are fantastic. So I'm a fan of all of them. And their attitude is their style, and that's what I'm a fan of.